OnePlus 9 series official render leaked online ahead of March 23 launch date. So today we are going to discuss about the OnePlus 9 series and OnePlus 9 Pro. So OnePlus 9 series is all set to make its debut on March 23, and ahead of the official launch, a lot of details have already been revealed. Now the high resolution render of the OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9 have leaked online. The image shown the premium phone's front and rear design. They also suggest that the OnePlus 9 Pro will be available in black, green and silver color, whereas the standard version could be offered in a black, blue and purple colors. Both the smartphone will have a Hasselblad-branded rear camera setup, which the company has already confirmed. The Pro version will feature a quad rear camera setup, and the OnePlus 9 is expected to pack 3 sensors at the back. The render suggests that the upcoming OnePlus phone will have a slight camera bump and a notification slider. As per the render shared by WinFuture, both OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9 will sport a single punch hole display design. The cutout is placed on the top left side of the screen, which houses the selfie camera. The company CEO Petilau just recently confirmed that the OnePlus 9 series will sport a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 ultra-wide sensor. The other 3 camera could be a 48-megapixel, 8-megapixel telephoto sensor and the 2-megapixel macro sensor. Furthermore, the alleged OnePlus 9 Pro phone was recently spotted on a Geekbench with a model number OnePlus LE2115. The listing suggests that the brand will offer the device with a 12 gigs of RAM and a Snapdragon triplet processor. The handset has a 1120 single-core score and the 3630 multi-core score. Apart from 5G support, the new device will likely offer support for fast wireless charging and stereo speakers. It is unknown whether the standard version will have an IP rating, but the same is expected to be available on the 9 Pro. Alongside the OnePlus 9 series, the company is also expected to launch the OnePlus 9e or OnePlus 9R on March 23. So that's all for the day, guys. If you find this video relatively helpful for you, please hit the like button and stay with us. Thank you very much.